That's satisfying. Quick editor's note, if you guys want to know exactly what I'm using to make this repair, you can actually watch my video on how to make this compound I'm using. Here it is, the video. 75 milliliters acrylic, 7.4 milliliters white vinegar, 14.8 milliliters water, 14.8 millimeters of glycerin. So acrylic, white vinegar, water, and glycerin, which is vegetable glycerin. Those will give you this textile medium. It's a flexible vinyl repair compound. It will repair leather, it will repair plastic panels. It creates just like a fake plastic slash leather slash vinyl look, ultimately. You can see that I just put them all in bowls in the correct amounts and then mixed them up. And I explain it a lot more in detail how the proportions all work, because it doesn't have to be that exact size, it has to be those proportions. And mix it all up in a bowl after mixing in the ingredients, and then you can apply it to your panel. So that's how we do it. Basically, if you already have acrylic paint at home, and most artists slash makers slash tinkerers slash DIYers have some black acrylic paint. If you don't, it's super cheap. You just buy a tube of that. You can order some glycerin from Amazon or eBay or whatever, vegetable glycerin. It's super cheap, and you could just mix your own compound up. And this compound can be used to paint all kinds of stuff. You can repair a couch with it because it's flexible. It will flex with the couch. So like a vinyl slash pleather or leather couch you can repair. You can use it to paint a sweater or sweatshirt or t-shirt, and it won't crack. It's flexible, and it can be washed in the washing machine and stuff. It's actually textile paint, so it's made for that. But it's also a repair compound for vinyl, leather, and plastic. So it's a very multi-use thing. It's definitely worth putting in your toolkit. You can make it in any color you want, just using artist acrylic paint, and then the white vinegar, water, and vegetable glycerin, which is what makes it, this combination makes it flexible and just excellent material that lasts forever. So that's how you do it.
Using easy off heavy duty oven and grill cleaner to go from this to this. It's still not perfect. You can see this one's been cleaned and it's still not perfect, but it's definitely much better than it starts. So I've got most of it already cleaned now. You can see the roof I have not done, so that's much better than the roof. And we're gonna actually, whatever doesn't come off, we're gonna try to take it out with this rubbing compound plus this spinning on this hand drill. This will spin. And this is supposed to be a heavy duty cleaner. It'll actually remove paint if you keep going and going with it. So those are the steps we're gonna do. We bought paint just in case we gotta actually paint some spots that just will not get better. Wearing a gas mask because this gives off heavy fumes. It really stinks. I mean, it makes your eyes burn and everything. Just doing like 2 panels at a time, and then resting in between, or working on the back half in between. You can see where I stopped. It's a big difference.